Hey guys, this is Sachi here. Welcome to Madjar. So today we are going to talk about one of my first plants. So that is called snake plant. It is very famous right now as indoor plant. And so botanical name of this plant was Sansevieria or Sansevieria trifasciata for this one. But now there was some botanical change. So now it is known as Dracaena trifasciata. Right, so we are going to just know very quickly about this plant. So this plant, it is a desert plant. It grows in the desert area actually. So basically, depending upon the area it comes from, you get to know about the soil, light and watering condition of this plant. So soil, as it's a desert plant, you need a well draining soil. So in your soil mix you can always keep the level of the sand or the perlite material very high, so whenever you put water it drains out quickly. And next, the light. This plant is a very hardy plant, so it can grow very well in the sunny area as well as in the indoor light area. Right now I have kept this opposite to my south facing window here, so it gets the daytime bright daylight of the daytime. So it's better to keep them in some light, although they are good in low light as well. Low light, I mean, you can keep it like about 6 to 7 feet away from the window also, it will do well. And when it comes to watering, you have to water it whenever it dries. If I tell you like you have to water in like once in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, that will differ from the place you are keeping it in. So always make sure you poke some stick or your finger inside. If the soil is dry, just water them. So that's a quick thing about the Sansevieria Dracaena now, or the snake plant commonly known as. So they come in large varieties like the tall ones and dwarf ones and different colors of the leaves. You can get them very easily at any nursery. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.